Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm diving into the art of making handcrafted fused glass earrings using a unique method with a microwave kiln. I'm cutting dichroic glass, having the texture side facing down and the smooth side facing up. After cutting your glass, it's good to go ahead and prepare it by cleaning it, either with a glass cleaner or rubbing alcohol. So for today's earrings, I decided to go with the red base glass and adding on two different color dichroic shards of glass on top. All of the glass in this video is COE 96. I also sometimes use COE 90, but whatever COE you're using, you have to use the same exact for the top and the bottom layer. If you mix the COE, then it won't fuse properly. Another option as well is whenever you're dealing with the dichroic glass, it's very important to only use the dichroic facing the same exact direction on your base of the glass. For instance, what I'm talking about is if you're having the smooth side facing downward, you have to do that with all the dichroic glass having the smooth side facing downward. In this case, I had the dichroic facing up and the smooth side facing flush to the red COE 96 glass. So now you're just going to see me randomly putting pieces together and changing my mind a few times. I might try to fast forward this just to show different ways that you can decorate your glass with both dichroic glass as well as little fret glass. I'm using super glue to hold everything in place so that whenever I'm in the fusing process in the microwave, everything will stay secure and where it's supposed to be. Once I have all of the super glue in place where it needs to be, I make sure to use caution once it's starting to fuse in the microwave with the lid on. Doing so, wearing safety glasses, welder gloves, and having a tile is some of the very important things that you need whenever you're dealing with fusing glass in a microwave kiln. I'm going to show you a short clip real quick in regards to one that I made that's very similar. Welcome to my studio. My name is Ashley. Today I'm sharing a quick glance at fusing glass in a microwave kiln. I'm cutting the dichroic glass to add onto the base glass that I pre-cut. I'm using my running pliers to break the glass. I usually go ahead and put this in a microwave kiln for probably about 2 minutes with the lid on. Then I check on it every 30 seconds to a minute depending on what the color of the glass looks like in the fusing process, using safety glasses and welder gloves. Once it looks like it is fused, I go ahead and let it cool for about 2 hours and then take it out of the kiln. For this design, I used open bezel and I traced it with a Sharpie pen to get the template for where to cut the glass. Once I score my glass with my glass cutters, I either use my running pliers or my grazing pliers, and in this case I used my choppers. Next, I use my inland grinder to smooth out the edges and to make sure that it fits into the open bezel snugly. This process takes a while, and I'm going to go ahead and speed this up a lot for y'all so y'all don't have to just sit here and watch me slowly grind out this. But just so y'all know, this does take a long time and it's kind of time consuming, but it's well worth it.